I mean it. That's why they're full of allergy. They are all kids born after 2000, full of allergy, Tyrone. Some of you ain't laughing in there because it's your pick-me I'm talking about. That allergic bastard. And no one don't want them round your house. You don't want them youths coming round your house. Always come with a note, dietary requirements. Take that back to your yard. I don't want to look after no kid with an allergy. It's just too much risk. Number one, I love a peanut butter. You understand? Now I can't eat this because there's little youths around my house visiting. Soft. Well, it's choking them, their neck swelling. This is a party snack when we was growing up, you know. Think about it, peanuts was in everybody's birthday party that you went to as a primary school youth. Unsupervised, just there, like that. You understand me? I dare you parents in here, hold a party and put peanuts unsupervised. Out for the, yeah, you know you're gone jail. Jail. I know some of you lot think it's wicked, it's not. Think about it, all it is, I find it so unusual. Just little things, normal food will kill them. Fish, everybody over the age of 35, 40 in here, grew up with mum cooking fish at least once a week. And she never had time to debone that wrasse. We will debone and fillet a fish. For kids, and what kind of man, that's how we're softening them. All of us. Don't matter your culture. Mum cooked the fish, she give the plate, she just give you a warning. Little Bonnie in there, mind yourself. That's it. Do you hear me? That's how we grew. And every one of us at one point in primary school got fishbone stuck in our throat. You run into the front room panicking or to where Mum, I can't breathe. I can't call an ambulance. Nowadays, mums would panic if their youth ran to them and said something was stuck in their throat. But Jamaica, especially Jamaican mum, never care. They always got this, got to eat bread. What? Did you hear what I say? You're dying. Did you hear that, young bloods? We had shit stuck in our throat. Our parents said, push more shit down there. We grow tough. Grow tough. We grow tough.